Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So, I have had such a busy week. My family and I, the week's not over. It's Thursday. We have been back and forth to so many doctor's appointments uh, for me, for my husband, and we we found out, my husband had surgery. He's getting the cochlear hearing aid. And so he went to his doctor yesterday, for like his 2 week post-op surgery, whatever. And here he has a hematoma and stuff. He has this big, which Emily had been telling him, quit bending down, like listen to what the doctors are saying. And he wasn't. And I mean, he did his best, but I mean, he's used to doing everything. So. And Emily's been fantastic. She's been helping so much, but I think he feels bad that she's doing so much. Anyway, so he had a big thing of blood, and Emily had been saying like, oh, it's like squishy, it's spongy, what's going on? And here, that's why. So they had to aspirate like a lot of that out, and he has a head wrap again, and he'll go back tomorrow, um, so he can see, what's going on, if it's filling up again or what they got to do. So, and then just with me, kidneys, doctors, he's had, Dave's had, what did he do? He has his back, he has podiatry, he has his ear. It's just been crazy. It's been nonstop, nonstop, nonstop. So I came home 2 days ago, I believe it was, to a package. And, Dave picked it up. He's like, what'd you order now? And I was like, I haven't ordered anything. So there's this really nice canvas bag, which I love. And I go to pull this out. And from Trucker Janie, that's what we call her here, Trucker Janie, she sent me, let me see if this has, yeah. Hope this all will help you. Loves and hugs, Trucker Janie, Renteria. But she goes by Trucker Janie on here. So there's this beautiful bag. I'm so excited because I was like, what the heck? And of course, I love me some tissue paper because we'll be playing with that. But it's a 24 color ink pad. Look at this. I could pee myself. For fabric, wood, and paper. What? Look at these. All the color. I already lifted this color up. All the colors. Silvers. And I mean, look at this. Because I always complain, mine are all dead. All my inks, as you guys have watched me do, use them. So how freaking exciting. So I can't wait to do a project with this. I'm going to pick one now because I have something we're going to do in my art journal, but I thought, let's see, you're going to hear my dogs. Let's find a page and let's just pick one. And of course, I'm going to go for green. I don't know, no colors, but I don't really care. Let's see, I'm going to take one of mine like that. And it has plastic. So excited. I feel like a kid at Christmas. And I get asked all the time, like, oh, can we send you, where do we send it? Can we send you something? And, it's down below, but I don't like to always say something because, but my information is all down below. Sometimes you guys don't like it to be on video, but I'm so excited for this. And I already told her thank you and that I would put it on the video. So let's see. Oh, look. Okay. I can hear my dogs out there. I'm going to just do like a little, so pretty. I'm so excited. Like I can do actual stamps now. Okay. And I could have pushed it on it and everything, but I just didn't want to get any other ink if I have one here. Oh, I don't know. Can you see that? I should have picked let me do a different one with a brighter color. Oh my God. And then I'll hold it up. Oh, and it's wet. I could probably emboss that. Oh my gosh. 4 fabric, 4 wood, 4 paper. Come on. This means that when I get my art dolls going again, my art quilts that I love doing, I could use this on there. Oh my gosh. The excitement. Well, obviously, I don't have to tell you the color of that. Although it's coming a little tangerine. It's bright pink. And I'm just going to tap it. So you'll be seeing me use these a lot because I'm just so ecstatic. Okay, now let's go. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, I'm so excited. How juicy. And you can see they're juicy. Like I said, I don't have any embossing powder, but I could definitely put some clear embossing powder, which I will find. What is falling over here? Which I will find of mine, and then we'll try it. But look, oh, I'm so thankful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Janie, because like I said, everything, because I haven't been doing videos and I haven't been doing art, everything is just a mess, and you know, paint goes bad, like it's just a mess. So I really want to get back into doing art, and this is definitely going to help me. It's appreciated so much. Like I said, it brings tears to my eyes because I'm just so blessed. I'm just so blessed. So let me show you. Yeah, that green probably wasn't the best to do the video on, but you can definitely see. I mean, it's gorgeous in life, but look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to work more with these. I don't want to keep, you know, I mean, this is starting a background right here, which I'm thrilled with, but I'm going to just take a little bit, and I'm going to keep this box. This is where they're staying. They're going to go up on my shelf by my witches stuff, and I'm just so happy and so blessed, and thank you. Thank you so much, Janie. I appreciate it so deeply. I know you've been calling, and like I said, we are in and out and resting when we can because it's a lot for us. But so I just am so appreciative. Thank you so very much. You'll be seeing them. And with the rest of you guys, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I always get so emotional because I always feel bad when people send me stuff, you know. But I'm so happy. I'm not gonna lie. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.